If you are worried about choosing a remote control lawn mower, then I can tell you with certainty that choosing the Koham off-road tank lawn mower is the right choice. It is not an ordinary lawn mower. Its off-road performance is excellent, even in the face of rugged mountains and complex ditches. Thanks to its powerful power and ultra-stable tracks, it can move smoothly as if it were walking on flat ground. High-intensity weeding work is easy for it and is much more efficient than manual labor. Moreover, it is equipped with multiple safety protections all over the body, which greatly reduces the risk of accidents, and its safety performance far exceeds that of manual labor. With the Koham off-road tank mower, tedious mowing work becomes easy and efficient, which is truly a wise choice.